I started making this online, but network was very bad, as in I was live streaming this. Network was so bad that I had to stop and film this. Before the network issue, I already added the powdered sugar, that's the confectioner sugar, 1 cup of confectioner sugar to 1 cup of margarine, and I creamed the mixture. And this is what I came up with after creaming the sugar and the margarine. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of self-rising flour to the mixture. We're going to form a dough. I'm going to be using my hand to mix this thoroughly. I'm going to turn this onto the work surface. I'm using this silicone mat. That's it. So I'll just dust it with a bit of flour and put this so that I will be able to knead gently. Then you're just going to cut it into any size you like. This round shape like this in balls. Depending on the size you want. You can roll it on your palms. Let me make it a bit bigger. Just like this. Then take each, use a fork to make a pattern. That is, if you don't have cookie cutter that has pattern, you can always improvise. Like this. Then you're going to place it in your baking pan lined with parchment paper. You can even put it here, or put it on your palm like this. Press it, press it, press it. I think it's even better like this. I'll preheat my pot. Preheat the pot for about 5 to 10 minutes and bake on medium-low heat for about 16 to 18 minutes. While the pot is preheating, I'll go ahead and shape the rest of the dough. And if you like, you can make other flavors. You know, I said 3 ingredients. We use self-rising flour, powdered sugar, and margarine. If you want to have different flavor and texture or something, you can put vanilla extract. Indent it like this. Then I'll put a bit of butterscotch flavor, just a little, that much. Then I'm going to be adding cocoa powder inside it like that. And knead it together. So this is giving us like chocolate shortbread cookies. Just knead it together like that, gently. So this is it. Let me check on the pot on fire. By now it must be hot enough to put our cookies to bake. So just place it inside gently. The pot is hot and cover it. The heat is on medium low. It must not be too high. Then we'll bake for about 16 to 18 minutes. While the cookies are baking, I'll just quickly finish up on shaping the remaining ones. This is like a bonus. This is 3 ingredients and this is 5 ingredients because I added flavor and cocoa powder. I made this a bit bigger than the plain one. When I'm through with the first batch, I'm going to bake the rest. Then I'll see you. So while the rest is baking, the chocolate one, I want to show you this, baked on stovetop. It's so yummy. So I'll show you the rest of the cookies when it's baked. But for now, I'm ending this. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Turn on notifications so that you get to know whenever I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe and be blessed. Bye.